Good morning, everyone. Tim, can you hear me? Good morning, Dipti. Just one second. Okay. Good morning, guys. Okay, let's start today's session, guys. Just give me 2 minutes. Few students are joining, and then we start in a couple of minutes. Okay. Thank you.
Sir. 200, sir.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Welcome to Sunday workshop, and let me share my screen. And okay, thank you. All right. So welcome to Sunday workshop, and the workshop which I'm going to conduct today is Agentic AI, and this is one of the trending topics in 2025. So there is few prerequisite I just wanted to write here. So the new students, I mean completely okay. My old students, welcome again. My old student, welcome to workshop. And I know there is no problem to understand and work with me in the practical session. You can work easily with me. The old student, you can work code, practical, everything code with me easily, no problem. And so the new students who don't know how to install the softwares, how to install the software, for the time being, you heard the session, and if you face any difficulties, might be I will talk to you later about this, guys. All right, because this is a workshop, and this is for high level workshops I'm going to conduct today. And so the new students, so I want you to be listen to the session, and maybe we talk to you later, guys. Pretty clear? Everyone is okay? So the old student, that's fine. Welcome back again. And the new students or new learner, uh, completely non-technical. I mean to say, you never know how to install VS Code. You never knew that what is data science, what is AI, what is agentic AI, what is generative AI. For them, it is very hard to understand these concepts. But so that's why I'm going to schedule a new batch, which I started just Monday onwards, or just started 2 days ago, and you can connect those sessions to understand all those things. Okay, let's continue. So thank you for joining today's sessions, team. And the name of the workshop, Agentic AI, which is 2025. Agentic AI is dominant the world. Is dominant the world. All right. So okay. No problem, Faisal. I can see that. No problem. So the new students, no worry, you just attend to the session, and this session is in live. This session is live, or you can also watch through you can also watch through the NareshIT YouTube channel. NareshIT YouTube channel, you can view that. Okay, let's continue. So agentic AI. So before that, I just mentioned agenda for today's topic, what exactly topic I'll cover today. My introductions, what is agentic AI? Many people are confused about machine learning, artificial intelligence, generative AI versus agentic AI. And next, agentic AI framework. What are the framework right now for agentic AIs? And we build a few projects in Agentic AI, or maybe 2 or 3 projects we build. And I hope I might get more bugs today, but let's see. We try to fix it together. So I'll also my new batch announcement, and I already done many workshop before, so I will share all the workshop links where you can follow that. All right, guys. And then if anyone has any question and answers, we're going to discuss those things. Pretty clear, team, pretty clear. So if any non-technical students, no worries, because this is little advanced session. So I mean to say, because you have to learn. There are few students already learned, and few expertise are there, few managers there, few working professionals also joined in this workshop. So yeah, it's quite a little hard to a complete non-tech guy to understand, because so that's what I will guide you how a non-tech guys can cover these classes, courses, and you can try code with me. And if possible, if any bugs, we try to fix it later. Okay. Everybody clear up to this? Everyone is clear up to this, guys? Please give a, just let's continue. And my old students, no need to worry, because you know all those things. And that's good. Next one. I hope you can hear my voice. I hope you can hear my voice. No issues at all. Yes. Cool. Cool. That's great. So the first point, my introductions. See, I'm also working professionals from last 18 years. Right now, I'm working in with a client as a freelancing, as a trainer in NareshIT. I have a lot of experiences. I will share my LinkedIn profile where you can go back and try to, have a look over it. So just go back, and this is what home screen, and I will share my LinkedIn to everyone in this group. So you can reach out to me for any further issue or connections. I just send it the LinkedIn ID. You can refer my profile. Also, this is my GitHub. You can refer to the GitHub page where my all the detailed informations you can find out here, which expertises, which colleges, what are the projects I've been done before. So there's a lot of things you can find about me in my GitHub pages, guys. Pretty clear? So this is all about my introduction. So I don't speak much on introductions, because I done many workshops in NareshIT, and so this is what you can refer me, or you can you can connect to my LinkedIn for any further discussions. All right. So just go back, and here, so I'm referring to, this is my introductions. So my 18-year industry experience, 18-year industry experience, and 10 years corporate training, and corporate training, and all the different training institutes. Right now, I've been working in NareshIT as well, guys. Thank you. All right. Okay, so the next part, let's come back to the next part. Slideshow. Just one moment. Okay, here we go. So guys, I hope you know this diagram. AI, machine learning, it's subset of AI, neural network, deep learning, generative AI, large language model. So it's in one day, it's very hard to understand in depth of all those things, but today I will give you a overview exactly who is playing what role in reality. So I divide the data science into 3 part, because data science is all about deals with data. In day-to-day world, the data are increasing. All right, online data, offline data, the data could be anything. So the data could be divided into supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. So if you refer to this diagram, the machine learning so comes under supervised learning. And we machine learning, we build regression algorithms, classification algorithms, and clustering algorithms. Unsupervised learning is AI, artificial intelligence, like we can build NLP model, deep learning model, neural network model. We're going to build in unsupervised learning. Reinforcement learning, which is generative artificial intelligence, also the LLM models, everything comes under reinforcement learning, where you build ChatGPT, OpenAI, Google, Meta, Cloudy, These are LLM models. Nowadays, these LLM models are integrated with agents with the help of agentic AI frameworks like Crew AI, AutoGen, Phi Data. AutoGen, these are the framework where using the agentic AI framework, and this framework connect with these LLM models to do the task automatically. To do the task automatically. I hope, yeah, there is a lot of AI, Samadhan. Yeah, Pydantic AI and Swan AI. There are a lot of agentic AI frameworks we have. All right. And you can see this market, this framework is keep increasing on day by day because we don't know
Oh,
what are the new frameworks has introduced in
78.
upcoming market. But you get to see in
Not clear.
upcoming days, there are a lot of agentic AI frameworks has built in. All right, guys. So I'm unable to take screenshot. Is WebEx not Vivo? Take a photo, man. Take a photo, or I will share this my GitHub where you can find out. Pretty clear. So if a completely see, maybe you have a questions, what is supervised, what is unsupervised, what is reinforcement learning. I'll conduct a new workshop, new sessions, morning 8:30 a.m. So I want you to join the sessions where I can explain all those things in depth. Because if I explain these topic in depth, the agentic AI is uh sure. I will share my GitHub link. No need to worry. I will share my GitHub link where you can get all the details, guys. So no problem at all. All right. So you got some clarity that where agentic AI comes into the picture. So agentic AI is follows reinforcement learning algorithms. All right, where these agentic AI frameworks are integrated with LLM model to build the task automatically without human interactions. Are you clear? Did you clear, people? So what I'm trying to saying, agentic AI is reinforcement learning algorithm where it use agentic AI frameworks which connects with LLM model to build the task automatically without human interactions. Whereas this machine learning AI, okay, so where machine learning, I'll give a small diagram to give you a small examples and then things would be pretty clear. So just go to the view and let's plot a draw. All right, so here, what are the AI applications? I'll try to some of the example. So what is AI? If you see this diagram, I just give you a overview on it. Just 1 second. So here, just one moment. Okay. All right, let's escape it. Okay, before I go back to agentic AI, let's discuss about what is AI. Slideshow from current slide. Okay, here we go. You see AI in day-to-day life, guys. For example, I try to sum up in real time. I just give you a clarity. What is AI? See, the AI coined the term artificial intelligence introduced by John McCarthy in the year of 1956. He is the researcher who created the term called AI. And nowadays, AI is mimic human intelligence. Artificial intelligence can mimic human intelligence. That means, you know, approach to make computer a robo can parcel the, delivery the food orders. Nowadays robo can do it. So the same things, a product to think how smart human thinks, guys. All right, so where Harshita, I will share all these notes, no problem. All right. Yep. So the aim of AI, day by day, AI is improving. Voice is breaking. Now, guys, am I clear? Am I clear, everybody? Or the voice is breaking? No, I don't think so. Check your internet, guys. From my side, I'm fine. Okay. So the aim of AI is to improve computer functions which are related to human knowledge. For example, day by day, AI can improve. AI improve reasoning skill, learning, problem solving, linguistic, lot of things. It's nothing but artificial intelligence. AI means artificial intelligence can mimic human intelligence. It's very simple. Human intelligence we decode into a program, into a machines. That's called AI, using help of some of the frameworks, some of the algorithms. In day to day, we can see AI in social media, chatbots, autonomous vehicle. All right. So gaming industry, banking, finance, agricultural, healthcare, marketing, fashion, everywhere AI can plug and play, guys. Understood. So this is all those things we have. Now, for example, in social media like Meta, AI used face verifications. For example, assume this is your Meta applications, okay? And this is a Meta applications. And for a face verification is a AI applications, guys, where we write machine learning or deep learning algorithms. That means in AI, a user need to train the data. User need to train the data. User need to feed the data. So here AI is a applications where, okay, user means user or developer need to train the data and some sort of write some sort of machine learning algorithms and deep learning algorithms, guys, to build a applications, algorithms to build AI applications, to build AI applications. Pretty clear? So for example, your system RAM is 8 GB. So you can load 8 GB data. 8 GB data, or the data may be Excel, data may be CSV, data may be images, data may be text, data may be video, or data may be audio. So you feed these data to the machines. You feed these data to the machines, and a developer writes some algorithms, write some algorithms. It could be any algorithms, guys. For example, you can talk about ML algo and NLP algorithms or deep learning neural network, many more neural network. Pretty clear, guys? So try to understood here, AI, a user need to train the data. Means we have to feed the data, guys. We have to feed the data. Pretty clear, guys? What is generative AI? In generative AI, user no need to train the data. So the data is automatically trained by OpenAI. What is OpenAI? Who is founder of OpenAI, guys? Elon Musk. It was before. Now it's purchased Microsoft, and the data is trained by Google, the data trained by Meta, the data trained by DeepSeek, and the model generate new content like text to text, chat GPT. You didn't train any data, but still the model generate text or not, guys? And then image generations, text to image generations, video generations. Did you clear, guys? Non-technical, technical. Just I hope you got a clarity that what is difference between AI and versus Gen AI. Just answer me yes or no, please. The old students, I hope you know, but new technical people, just I want to know about you guys. So very simple. AI, we build a applications where we implement machine learning algorithms, NLP algorithms, deep learning algorithms, and all those things, right? So generative AI, can you please tell me, generative AI, do a developer need to train? No, we don't need to train because the model is already pre-trained by OpenAI, Google, Meta, DeepSeek, and all those things. The next new terms comes up as agentic AI. So what is agentic AI? So these agentic AI using help of framework, okay, a user no need to code anything, it's all the task. So generative AI just so DeepSeek recently introduced. Yes, Balakishore, I already take the DeepSeek workshop. You can refer that. All right. So what is agentic AI? Agentic AI can take the decision automatically, can take the decision, make a decision automatically. So here I want to give a clarity. Generative AI create new content where agentic AI can make decision or take decision automatically, guys. Do you see the difference among both? Pretty clear. So generative AI create a new content, agentic AI make decision or take decision. What? Okay. See, deep learning, Sishi Kumar, deep learning. As I told you, this is not a deep learning session. Deep learning is one of the technique which you need to follow in AI. Okay, where the data is images. I will. Okay, just calm down. I will explain all those things. Deep learning. Okay, when machine learning fails, the introductions to deep learning. For example, machine learning never understand images, videos. So that's why we introduce a new concepts called deep learning. Pretty clear? I think someone asked a question. Next one. All right. So I'll give you some of the example what agentic AI does. Agentic AI is a type of AI that can make decision, take decision independently or automatically. These agents operates autonomous with sense of agency based on goals, based on environment feedback without human supervision. For example, if you talk to now, do you remember nowadays it's a smart home system? You can say, can you please on the fan? So that means it will on the fan only, not lights. So that's the goal. When I supervision to my machines, hey Alexa, can you, or maybe hey device, can you on the fan? Only fan will on, not lights will not on. Do you see this, guys? The agents can listen and senses based on the Ramu, just I'll give you all those things. Just wait. You are a new joinees, right? So I will get back to you all those things. So today it's talk about agentic AI. Let's build. I'll give all those things. You can refer that now. So these agents, did you clear this part, guys? Did you clear this part? All right. So what I'm trying to speak here is the agents can autonomous with sense of agency based on goals and environmental feedback without human supervision. All right. Now, examples of agentic AI, where exactly we used in real time? Autonomous vehicle. For example, AI system that, okay, when you, just one second, AI system that perceive surroundings, make driving decisions, learn from each trip. Because autonomous vehicle, or sometimes, even though still it's not launched to the market, but still in US, some of the places the testing is going on about the autonomous vehicle, where the vehicle sensors can recognize the crowded place, where to turn left, where to turn right, okay, when to break down, when to not break down. Everything's done by autonomous vehicle. Do you know, do you remember every car has ADAS feature? Now this feature you don't find in 10 years back cars. You heard me what I'm saying, guys? Do you know what is ADAS features in cars, guys? So when immediately any instance will come, automatically it's breakdown. So how vehicles can recognize that thing? Online team understand? Please answer me. Yes or no? Okay, so you got some exact real-time clarity of your agentic AI. So the new students, next one, supply chain management. AI optimizes inventory, predicts demand, and adjusts your delivery routes. I mean to say, this season's which route is okay benefit to grow a business. All those things is important, guys. Now, examples of cyber security. Now, the internet is growing in the field, so AI detects threat by analyze network activity. So which activities comes from terrorist, which activities are fraud activities, all those things comes under cyber security, guys. Understood? So healthcare, AI analyzes patients data, considered historical trends, and suggests personal treatment plans. HR operations, nowadays, if you see, remember just few years back, when people are go for an interview, there are more people stand on a queue, isn't it? Maybe 1,000 people. If you remember the previous, years, s- based on cybersecurity threat detections. Yes, yes, Sheikh. So now all these AI, agentic AI, automates resume screening. You heard about ATS, guys, interview scheduling
Yes,
and
sir.
payroll management and business processes. You got some examples of agentic AI? You got some example of it. So today you got the clarity. So what exactly today I explained, I introduced myself, and I'm explaining the new students who completely don't know about AI. Just listen to the sessions, don't code, because I want you to join my new batch where I guide you all those things in depth. But this is a little advanced workshops. So for you, I just introduce as a reference. So today understand what is agentic AI, and I gave you some examples, and what is ML, what is AI, what is generative AI, what is agentic AI, and we discuss some of examples of agentic AI. Okay, now let's talk about difference among Gen AI versus agentic AI. If you refer to this diagram, and we can say that Gen AI create a new content, text, chat GPT. It's a text to text generations or not, guys? Images, stable diffusion, or maybe Google Gemini, maybe video. This is all comes under, okay, text to text. This is comes under Gen AI, where generative AI create a new content, but agentic AI make decisions and take decisions. All right. For examples of generative AI, chat GPT, Gemini AI, Sora, Whisper AI. And agentic AI, Tesla self-driving cars, AI chatbots with decision-making capabilities. Now, in generative AI, the pre-trained transformers are GANs, VQ-GAN, transformers, clip, Teming transformers. So guys, these are big techniques. So this is not right time to explain each and everything, because you need to know these transformers are used to build generative AI applications. Let me repeat again. These transformers are built to build, we required to build Gen AI applications. Next one, reinforcement learning, planning algorithms, multi-agent systems we required to build agentic AI. So main key focus of Gen AI, it generate content, but agentic AI can decision making and do action automatically. Got the clarity? What is difference between Gen AI and agentic AI? Clear, guys? No problem. I will share this documents to you, and you will understand that later part. What skills you wanted to become a agentic AI developers? What skills you want to be become a developer? So you must good at be Python programming and data analyst, AI and machine learning. I would say fundamentals and experts as well. Generative AI LLM models, prompt engineering, transfer learning architecture, cloud computing. After you learn everything, then you come back to agentic AI. Pretty clear, guys? You one has to be expert based on program we feed. That's exactly correct, Vinod. 100% right. So you are great even though you're non-technical. Yeah, everything. So AI comes under NLP, deep learning, everything's, guys. So let me tell you, to become a agentic AI developer, this is 2025 hot trending topic. Everybody key focus on to build AI. Next, you guys heard about quantum AI, which is more research going on quantum AI. Pretty clear. So a newcomers, if you wanted to learn this skill, first you have to be master in Python, data analyst, AI, NLP, deep learning, neural network, then machine learning, then build generative AI transformers, transfer learning, LLM models, prompt engineer, and architecture, cloud and edge computing. And once you become expert, then you become a agentic AI developer. Are you guys clear? Pretty clear, everybody? Okay, what skills, especially for non-technical, the students who completed, it's for you not required because you know it, all those things. I just give you a clarity and then we get back to the practical, because I don't let's we build agentic AI today. How practically I will build and agents, how agents can make decisions automatically, we'll build using frameworks. Okay, if you see this slide, I divide into ML, machine learning, artificial intelligence, generative AI, agentic AI. Just for 5 minutes, we need a clarity. To build machine learning, you must need to be good knowledge at statistical model, G test, T test, all right, F test, A B test, and then descriptive statistics, inferential statistics. Without knowing the stats, you never build ML model to predict a future. So this one exactly, Hariharan, yes, ML is part of AI. Yep. So we feed input data, structured and unstructured. Pretty clear. Structured means Excel, CSV. Unstructured mean images. Yeah, it is there in YT, YouTube. All right, guys. In output, we predict classifications. We predictions, machine learning do predictions, do classifications, do clusterings. Which algorithms you need to be expert on? Regression, classification, clustering algorithms like as random forest, neural networks, decision tree. We have a lot of algorithms. Where we use machine learning algorithms, fraud detections, recommendations. I hope you watch Netflix movies. Today, if you watch action movies, tomorrow, if you watch action movies, day after tomorrow, the Netflix machine learning recommendations model recommends you only action categories movies. Did you clear, guys? So, predictive analytics. So, everywhere, stock market, it will predict the time series model will predict the future stock. And based on, you see the graph or not, guys? This is all comes under machine learning. As today is agentic AI workshop, I don't explain much about ML. So that's what I start a new batch. The new students, please join and attend the workshop. I'll give you clarity what exactly this is all about. I'll get you back in the class. Pretty clear, team. But still, you got some little idea about ML, isn't it? To build a machine learning. Okay. So here I'll try to give you a diagram and then go back to the practical. So just refer to this now, white screen. I'll take this one. So first one, this is, all right. So I'll use this marker. So if you build AI application, if AI applications, AI front end, or maybe AI front end, then we write ML algorithm. Okay. To build ML algorithm, you need to be learn Python, statistics, data analytics skill, NumPy, Pandas, PD, Matplotlib, Seaborn, SNS, and then you write a code. All right. All those things required. And then you build machine learning algorithms. Pretty clear, guys? For deep learning algorithm, NLP, neural network. So this will, after you complete this one, you build machine learning, guys. This is the first point. You will finish this first. After you complete learning these points, you will build machine learning. This is second. After you complete, you have to learn three. So everything, okay, you build AI front end applications. Got the clarity, team? After we learn everything, then we can build a generative AI. So then after that, we can build as generative AI applications. So this is generative AI. In generative AI, you already learned AI. Okay. In the AI, you learned machine learning, Python, stats, okay, data analysis, everything you completed. After that, you learned transfer learning, then pre-training models, and then you call some architectures, GANs, VQ GANs, and then you have to focus on LLM models. After complete everything, then you have to go for agentic AI. This is what completely pipeline. Did you clear, guys? So agent can live predictions, accuracy check after agent work, not advance. Rohit, AI agents can live predictions accuracy. Yes. Now, do you see stock market can integrated AI agents, guys? All right, AI agents can largely integrated on stock market. Pretty clear, team. So what can comes next? So I already detailed explained here in the graph diagram. So what is AI? Okay, guys, can you hear me properly? Stravia, can you check your internet? So what is AI? After you complete AI, so you can apply some, some of the example of AI chatbot, game playing, expert, okay, autonomous car, robotics, decision supports, all those things you will learn this. So today, so can you tell me what is AGI? Next one, AGI is part of the agentic AI, artificial generative intelligence. Okay, so those are AGI. All right, so this is also comes under generative AI, agentic AI, buddy. Okay. So guys, did you clear? So I will give you a small clarity here and we'll go back to the project. So everyone know about VS Code, right? Everyone know about VS Code? Everyone install VS Code in your system? Please answer me. The new students, if you don't know, then no problem. Just one second. Okay. So if you don't know how to install VS Code or how to use VS Code, I will tell you now. You can follow that. If you can't do that, no problem. You can ping me or you can talk to me later part of the class, guys. All right. Yeah. So the next one, I'll give a small clarity here. Fifth one, AI uses AI mimic human intelligence. Okay. And where user train the data, okay, like any data, text data and speech and voice, or maybe, yeah, image, video, and user write some algorithms, right? ML algo or NLP algo, deep learning algo, neural network architecture, or pre-trained transformer architecture, all those things. All right, to build AI applications. AI applications. Next one, AI ML deep learning clear. Generative AI, it generate new content, okay? And the data trained by LLMs, guys. Companies like OpenAI, and you have and Google and Meta and all those things, guys. Pretty clear? Google, Meta, etc. So in this case, user no need to train the data. So RAG, all those things is a different concepts because it's a get into topic. Agentic AI frameworks. We can use frameworks where it connect to LLMs and take make the decision make the decision or take the decision automatically. Pretty clear, guys? I hope you got a clarity, but still, if you don't understand, no problem. My new batch is going on from Monday at morning 8:30 a.m. You can refer your friends, or if you want to join, you can join. Anyone can join, guys. Experienced guys, fresher, non-tech, tech, non-tech, tech, and any other background, you can join and talk to me. All right, next one. Let's do the practical, seventh one. Just go back to here, and both are same. Tarun. Agentic AI, we build agents, guys. All right. Agentic AI, we nothing but we build agents. All right. Yeah. Understand, Tarun? Yeah. Both are similar. AI, okay. Both are, guys, let's say Uh, okay. Cricket and cricketer, both are different, guys. Cricket or cricketer, both are different or same? Now, I hope you guys clear. I mean, whose question is this? Tarun and Prashad, both of you. Okay, next one. Let's talk about this. We'll do the practical now. And here we covered this part. We covered this part. Today we build a practical. We use VS Code. We use VS Code. There are few projects I want to build. Okay, so we started the session at 10:10, 10:05, or maybe 35 minutes. I spoke about theory. Let's do the project. Let's do the projects, guys. And in this project, the first one, I'm going to use the framework. So we'll use VS Code. This is world's fastest IDE. Agentic AI framework. We have multiple frameworks, guys. Agentic AI, you can build agents using framework. Do we have multiple framework? If you ref, these are the framework: LangChain and LangGraph, PHI Data, Creo AI, AutoGen. Creo AI and LangChain LangGraph, I already take the workshops before. So this workshop I scheduled already earlier. I will share the link to you. Creo AI, I already scheduled the workshop before. I shared the link to you. Today, I'm going to use the PHI data, which is very powerful, and AutoGen. This is also another framework. There are a new framework called Swarn, SWORN. There's a new framework. These are frameworks where you can build agentic AI. People clear? So the first one, agentic AI frameworks are, the frameworks are, let's say, PyData, and next, LangChain and LangGraph, LangChain and LangGraph. And the next one we have like, what we call, guys, just PHI data and Creo AI and AutoGen, and next one Zone. There's a still don't know many other new frameworks will be established in upcoming days, guys. Got a clarity? So first, search engine, I'm going to use DuckDuckGo search. Okay, so I'm going to use a search engine DuckDuckGo search. I will explain what exactly DuckDuckGo search. I will explain this one. And 11, I'll use llama. There is some background noise coming. 1 second. No, it's fine. You have to mute by yourself. Guys, am I clear or background noise coming from my side? My side? So stop, please, background voice. Yes, from your end. Okay. One moment. Now, is it fine, guys? Okay. Yes. Or maybe the setting has changed. One moment. Let me check. Till now it is not coming, right, guys? Just one moment. Mute. Use system microphone. Better now? No. No. Oh, strange. Okay. I think. So we can hear someone talking. No, I don't think so, sir. Unmute all participant. Exactly. I think. Oh, okay. Now it's clear, it seems. Host is speaking. I hope it's clear, guys, isn't it? Right. Yes, it's better. It's better. No, okay, my host is speaking, not my side, guys. Okay, so let's continue. So we'll use Meta's Llama model and we use Grok LPU, and then we front end with Streamlit. We project test the PHI agents. We work on test PHI agents, how exactly it works. Shall we start, everybody? Shall we start? Okay, let's go on. And okay, so I will rub them all and let's minimize and go to, I want everyone to go home and write, go to Google, and first I want you to type Grok. Can you please type Grok? Let's do the coding now. And here, let's start the project. Let's start the project. So here, the first one is go to Google and type Grok. The first one, right click and execute. And after you, do you receive like this, guys, grok.com? And here, just go for grok.com. Second one, once you refer to the Grok, you would see like go for any products, or maybe go to developer, or you go to, let's say, product. One second. Or you can go to, wait, dev console. Okay. So first one, second one, dev console. And I want you to log into this. Please log in using your gmail.id.com. For example, if I go here, do you see you will get a login ID? You can log in yourself and you'll see API keys here. Just go to the API keys and create API key. And in the left sections, the third one, create API key. And then you can generate API key, guys. Okay. And let me know once you store the API key. I already have my API key. Let me fetch my API key from here. Just one second. Personal file. Let's close. Okay, this is API list. I can find my API list here. Okay. Okay. So this is my API key. Please, I want to know generate. What did you generate API key, guys? Everybody? I know. So let's wait for the one who already know it. That's fine. Grok API key. So there's a question. What is Grok? See, guys, in large language model, LLM model, we cannot build, okay, using locally. But yes, we can build using Olama. But here, so we need some interface. We need some interface to build LLMs, guys. Okay, to build LLM means large language model. So I want everyone to generate the API key. So let me know once you generate, and I want to know from you guys. So what is the command for the one? Okay, done. So very simple. I try to, what is Grok, guys? Grok is an American AI that builds AI accelerate application integrated to build a large processing unit, LPU. Okay, because to build large language model, we required a lot of hardware. Hi-fi machines, but as we don't have that much of costlier machines, so Grok provides such a very interactive platforms where using help of API key, we try to generate this guys. So did you created this API key? Fifth one, yes or no, guys? Fifth one, did you generate everybody? Please save your API key. After you save your API key, I want you to go to playground. In the playground, if you see there are multiple models we have or not, Quen, DeepSeek, Gemma 2, Whisper, Llama 3.1. So I want you to use this model, guys. Llama 3.3. What is model we need to access? The model which you need to access is Llama, and here 3.3, just Llama 3.3 and 70B, 70B, 70B versatile. All right, 70B versatile. So what is Llama model? So Llama model is Meta's model, guys. Meta's Llama, OpenAI's GPT, and Gemini from Google. And this model, LLM model, we try to this, guys. Pretty clear now? So the questions, did you create an API key? And did you store model? Please respond yes, everyone. New students, if you not understand, that's fine. If you understand, then you can work with me. So API key, did you generate it? Please respond everybody yes, guys. And yeah, you can try later. You can try later. Just focus on it. Yes. So here, the one who can't understand, maybe you can, the session is going on live. Okay, so the session is going on live. And then, so what exactly thing? API key, we access LLM interfaces and model we created, guys. Two things we created. Sixth one, I want you to go to Agentic AI Framework. The name of the framework is PHI Data. So how do you go to the PHI Data? Just go to Google again, and everyone try to log into the PHI Data. Do you see PHI Data? Right click. Did you read this? PHI Data agents can use multiple tools and follow instructions to achieve complex tasks. For example, you can create and finance agent with tools to query. Agents are autonomous tasks which achieve task automatically. So now let's log into this. Do you see? This is all PHI Data platform, where in this platform you can build agents and automate the workflow with intelligent work, guys. Do you clear? So now AGI, I will try to create a new concepts. PHI Data is now EGNO. What is EGNO? This is EGNO AGI. In AGI, next month, I will do a workshop on it, EGNO AGI. So you have to just bear with the time. So here, what is PHI Data? PHI Data is a framework for building multi-model agents and workflow. So build agents with memory, knowledge, tools, and reasoning. So all those things we're going to work using help of PHI Data. This PHI Data, I want to install in my VS Code. So do you see, if you go back to the agents, this PHI Data can integrate with models. PHI Data can integrate with OpenAI, Anthropic, Azure, Cohera, DeepSeek. It's amazing tool. So using help of these LLMs along with PHI Data, we can build a agentic AI framework. Did you clear? So with the help of these LLM models plus PHI Data framework, we can build agents. So do you clear PHI Data? Can we go back to the code now? Can we go back to the code? So did you open to the PHI Data? No need to create any API for PHI Data. So just what is PHI Data? So PHI Data is a agentic AI framework. Agentic AI framework. All right. Next, open VS Code. Just go to the VS Code here and open a Visual Studio Code. So the guys who don't install this before, is very simple. Go to the Google and here just type VS Code and download it, and you can automatically download. And you need to install few extensions and install few extensions like Python and Jupyter. So here, if you go back to this, can you please repeat Phi data? Okay. So guys, Phi data, if you go to the Google Phi data, read the Phi data introductions. Phi data is an agentic AI platform where using Phi data, it is a library you have to install and you connect with these models to build your agents. So you can, these Phi data, you can connect with Grok. So to whom I'm connecting, guys? So can you please, to whom you connected, Grok or not? I connected to the Grok, guys. Do you listen to this? So we have a Grok here. I want to click this now. And let's do the, we have a Grok API key. You got a Grok API key, right? And you can connect to NVIDIA, you can connect to Olama, you can connect to Open Router. So guys, non-technical people, no need to worry. Just it's experts. It's a little, it's not a fresher session. So, but still you be with me and then we'll talk later for any further questions. So you can connect these LLM models with using Phi data. Cool now. Correct. Phi data is agentic AI interface where to connect LLM models to build agents. Correct, buddy. Good understanding, Venkat. Now go back to here. Let's, I want to create a new folder. Just this is my folder and I create a new folder I called as Agentic AI Workshop. Okay, Agentic AI Workshop. So now let's enter. So I create a folder here. In this folder, I want to create a new file called agents, Agentic AI, um, Agentic AI.py. What is extensions of py? Python file. Do you see the file is opened? Okay, can you please share this code as well? I will share. So guys, everyone done? You can work along with me. Everybody, you can work along with me and let's try if any issue happens. So we try to sort it out, guys. Pretty clear? After you done this, up to this pretty clear, guys? So you can work along with me, or maybe you can do it later, or maybe the guys who can work, you can, most welcome. That's great. All right. I want you to go to terminal, new terminal. And did you see you got a new terminal? I want you to install VS Code. Avinav, if you do for the first time, maybe you can do it later. Maybe you can do it later if you know VS Code. I'll repeat again, guys. Let me close I'll close everything. So okay, so you install VS Code. Don't see, guys, new students might be a little hard, you stuck somewhere. VS Code, you download this path. After you download, uh you open a VS Code like this. Okay, after you open the VS Code, just do one thing here. Do you see this here extension? Please install the extensions Python, enter, and then you can install like some other extensions like Copilot, GitHub Copilot. Please for GitHub Copilot. So if you don't know, don't do it, just listen the class, maybe you can do it later. Pretty clear, guys? Okay, now I created one folder like this. This is, I click it, new folder, and Agentic AI Workshop I write. After that, right click here, new file. I created a new file called Agentic AI.py. Right, guys? And in this one, I want you to go to terminal. Just go to the terminal and new terminal, and just go here and move to command prompt, or command prompt. Just write pip install.env. Can you please install this code? Pip install.env. So just go back, and second one, I create a folder. The name of the folder is Agentic AI Workshop. And second one, I create a file. I created a file I created a file called Agentic AI.py. And then I click terminal, open terminal, and then I want you to install this library pip install .env and enter. Please do it. I already done this. Let me know once you're done. Pip install .env. Did you complete it, guys? Done. Very good. So the student who already done, okay, I want you to, do you have a Grok API key or not? Do you have a Grok API key, guys? Right. Now, please, okay, copy the Grok API key. Where is the API key I created here? Okay, this is my Grok API key. Let's copy my Grok API key. And here, right click, new file, requirement. Okay, not requirement, .env. Please click .env and Grok API key and enter here and put them into two quotes, put them into two quotes so that your Grok API key, you don't want to see someone. So that's what Control S and close it, guys, and close it. Let me know once you're done. So in this folder, right click and new file. And once you do the new file, okay, please do a .env and save your API key, which you get it from your system. And after you done this, just go back to the code and then close this. I'm just waiting for you. Please let me know once you're done. So after you've done this, let's start the code. And also, so hey Cody sir, I just joined just now. Can we get the video of the workshop? Yes, yes. Chandrasekhar, you can get the video. Go to the NareshIT YouTube. And once you go to the NareshIT YouTube, you can find my workshop. And see guys, just go here and here we go. And you can write Google and youtube.com. And then you can write as NareshIT. And here, if you see NareshIT, so do you see the workshop is going on here? Do you see this Agentic AI workshop? I want you to like and subscribe our channel. And also you can comment it. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Okay. Chandrasekhar, wait, man. Just now you joined. Listen, everything is going on. All right. Okay. So clear? Yeah. API key storing step in. Okay. Let me tell you how to store the API key, guys. So first here, once you create a new folder, right click the folder, new file. Can you please create a new file and mention .env? That's it. And right click. Did you pip install .env? Have you done, guys? So what I'm trying to say, the first thing is pip install .env. Did you complete it? After pip install .env, then you can right click new file and .env, enter. When you enter, it will ask, it will open like this. And the API key which you generated, so please, I might have missed what I'm trying to build, solve this workshop, follow you closely. Ramesh, guys, I will tell you, see, I have 3 codes to work and the session is live. If you don't know VS Code, please don't work. Please don't work. If you know, then only work because the session is live and you can follow the live video and you can continue from it, guys. And you can continue from that. Pretty clear, guys? No worries because it's a live workshop and I want to might be the new employee. A little hard to understand, but no problem. It's easy. First time it's you feel tough, but later you can do it, guys. Okay. So after does dot n, how many of them done? Please type D. Please type D. How many of them env created? Okay, very good. Very good. Good responses. Good responses. All right. So the student who done, please work with me. The student who unable to do, no problem, not at all. I will share this link. You can refer to that. Now go to terminal, new terminal. If you can say pip install PHI. Okay. So what you can do is pip install PHI. What is PHI, guys? What is PHI? It is Agentic AI framework or not? So I want you to install this framework on your VS Code. If you refer to this code, so just grok and here, okay, so you can pip install PHI 5. Let me know once you're done. So the third point is fourth point. I mean, the next one is eighth point. Pip install 5. Done. So are you completed? So two things I want to install in your terminal. Pip install dot env, pip install 5. Did you completed? And stored your API key in dot env file. All right. So after you done this ninth step, so appreciate the one who done, the one who have any issues, no problem, guys. We will do it later. And let's close it, and I'm open it. Just one moment. Let me delete everything, all the terminal. All right, just close it, and I'm gonna open. Okay, this part is done. Let's write so from phi dot agent import agent, guys. All right, and then from phi dot model, okay, I want to call as grok model import grok. All right, from we stored our API key in .env, and here we go, and I want to load my .env file, and then I want to create my first agent where I'm going to integrate with model with grok, and I call my llama model. What is the llama model ID, guys? I just now I told you. If I go back to the llama model over here, I'm going to copy this model and I'm going to paste here. That's okay. So let me check. Did I 3.3 70B versatile versatile? Where do you get the grok model? Just go back to the grok model, and here we go. Just one second. I'll go to grok. This is grok playground, this one. Llama hyphen 3.3, llama hyphen 3.3 hyphen 70b hyphen versatile, and then that's I will give you markdown. Okay, markdown, I don't use this, and I won't use it true. Let's remove this, and then markdown true, and then here tab. Okay, so that's it. And I think agent dot, I want to print response, res response. I want to tab, I don't want to hello world, and I can say future of agentic AI. Hold on, let me save this file. 1 second, guys. We create grok.in, we created, and then I'll go to new terminal, and then here let's try here. Okay, I'm getting some error. Why? Okay, let's comma is missing here, and let's try. That's great, it's working. Do you see this, guys? Thinking introductions to agentic AI. Do you see this, guys? I got my responses or not? Great. So that means right, how many of them got answer? How many of them got output? Let me share this code. let's copy and chat here, and everyone, I'll share this code. Can you please check this same code? Don't change anything. I want everyone to see this, guys. I ask a question, future of agentic AI, and this grok model has integrated with agents, and my agents can generate a responses. Agentic AI refers that can automatically make decisions. What is current state of generative AI? You can apply in automate robotics, autonomous vehicle, smart homes. You can apply in healthcare, education, cybersecurity, and challenges, explainability, accountability, safety, future. All the responses you got, amazing, amazing. Did you got this, guys? Please let me know. Please let me know how many of them got output. I'm just waiting for you. I'm just waiting for you, guys. Got it. Very good, Pranav. Amazing, guys. How to execute? Purna, very simple. You go and you can check this. You can click this. If you got error, oh, I'm sorry, I'm execute 2 times now. That's fine. I think I got my responses. So here, hold on, hold on. Did I delete it? Yeah, I got this now. Okay. Did you see this, guys? Anyone got responses? I got my all these responses. Please check this. So can we have the speech versions of this? Everything we have, everything we have. Okay. So I'm getting module not found 5, but I did pip install 5. Ashwarya, might be you done wrong. Might be you done wrong. Maybe the path location is wrong, guys. Okay. See, guys, I will share all this code. I'll put them in my GitHub. I'll share you. Maybe you can do it later because I want to do a lot of codes right now. Okay. Me too, same issue. Pip install 5. Just go to the command prompt and then install team. Can you go to the command prompt and install? Go to click here, go to command prompt and then install, then it will work. Clear, everybody? Okay. So finally we got responses, guys. Finally we got responses. Okay. So how many of them got output? Sir, how to run? Chirag, it's very simple. You can click this and execute. If not, I want you to check, go to the location. I want to go here and go to code and command prompt. In this command prompt, sir, but generating content. Wait, we're just trying to test it. This is, yeah, this is just a sample. I want to test the PHI agent is working or not. We're just testing the PHI agent is working or not. Clear now? Yeah. Okay, Venkat, wait. I have other code. Wait, guys, wait. Okay. So the student who can done completed, guys. Just 1 second. So guys, done this now. See, let me tell you, this is live. This is live. All right. And everything is recording. Everything is recording. So right now, what we done, we just test the agents, test the PHI agentic AI framework, PHI framework, where we can test it and it's working fine. Okay. And it's working fine. Pretty clear, guys. Just now I showed you. Next one. Let's build some agents using help of DuckDuckGo search. Using help of DuckDuckGo search. Pretty clear? Okay, so guys, let me tell you one thing. You haven't worked before in VS Code. Now you got error. It needs some time. Now you got error. So I will show you one more time how to you execute, then we can go for the next code. I'll build another code. We'll try to build all those things, guys. You can't work, maybe you can do it later. Pretty clear? How do you work again, guys? Go to terminal, new terminal. All right, guys. And then I want you to refer to this command prompt. All right. And cd 0. I have Agentic AI workshop. In this Agentic AI workshop, Python agentic AI.py. So when you run this, now the model generate output or not, guys? Right, guys? This part is clear now? Yep. Okay. So you can do this way or you can do that way as well. All right. Let me close then. Let me go to the second one now. I want to connect to the DuckDuckGo. How to run explain once. Suresh, just now I explained, man. Just now explained. If you refer to this cd0 cd command prompt, you can log into this, all right? And then you log in, then type Python. If you type this python.agentic AI, Python agentic, this 2-line code cd. I log into this file folder and then I write python agentic ai.py. See, guys, I have to do some more code. Please give me some time and we will fix it later. So if you got error, no need to be angry. Just calm down. It will fix it. It will fix it by later. And the guys who only here for theory, sorry, this is not theory class. This is only practical sessions and everything is recording. So I want you to go and watch the recording and take a review and you can see that how do I run it. Clear now? Okay, now, so can we get all the output, the speech model? Yes, Chicky, how many times I told you, text to speech, we will get it. We will get it. We will get it. All right. Yeah. Thank you. Can we go to the next one, guys? Okay. Now the next part is I want to connect to, let's do another project. So this is, we just tested a PHI agent, okay, is working fine now. Okay, we tested, we connected agentic AI with LLM models, and this is model we import and generate the responses. Next one, I will try to create, right click, new file, and agentic one, okay, I think right click, rename agentic agents now. I'll create single agents dot py. Let's go for single agents dot py. So here to single agents dot py, I want to write this from py dot, okay, agents, import agents from py dot model dot grok, import grok from py dot tools. I want to call the tool called, yeah, DuckDuckGo. What is DuckDuckGo? I will show you little about DuckDuckGo search, where it will generate the safe informations. Okay, now DuckDuckGo search. What is DuckDuckGo? Is an American software company focused on online privacy. When you write anything from Google, okay, it might be sometimes it will share some credential informations as well. But when you use DuckDuckGo search, it not giving any such a content which is secure. I mean, it will provide to focus on online privacy, whose flagship product is a search engine of the same name. Understand, team? So it is one type of browser where you can generate a safe content from the internet. The reason being, I'll tell you, LLM models are pre-trained from internet, correct, guys? Internet or text or corpus, many things, guys. The same things. DuckDuckGo, DuckDuckGo search, also one of the search engine where it provide the safe information, provide the safe information. Okay, so that's what we use this DuckDuckGo search. Clear team now? So here we use PHI is Agentic AI, and next one, Agentic AI framework, and interface we use to build connect with LLM. Interface to connect with LLM is Grok LPU, and search tool I'm using as DuckDuckGo. DuckDuckGo. Pretty clear now, guys? Online team clear? Okay, let's go for it. Let's try to go back to the code. Okay, from dot, no, from dot env import. Okay, so load dot env. So the first thing, I want to create a news agent. Everybody heard about the news. Today, I want to create a news agent. So how? See guys, very simple. In everyday, we are staying in house. Every house has a, the agents means our housemaid, or some of the servant is there, right? And if I tell my agents in my house, there are 3 agents. So if I tell agents, hey agents, can you bring the coffee for me, can you bring fruits for me, can you book the tickets for me? So the multi agents work multiple time or not, guys? So the work is easy for you. So the same way, we'll create a news agents here, and agent, and I want to name equals to, let's say I want to create a news agent. All right, and which model I want to call? This Grok model. And I want to connect to safe tool, which is, I want to call it as DuckDuckGo. Okay, DuckDuckGo search tool, I'm going to use it. And then I want to give instructions to my agent. Normally, you guys give instruction to the agent or not? And I want to pass one instruction as just create, hold on. Just I'm going to delete this. And I want to give some instructions, which is, I can from the DuckDuckGo search the latest. Maybe I need financial news about news about news about Nvidia company, news about Nvidia stock. Okay, about Nvidia stock. Okay, see here stocks. Okay, this is comma. Okay, this is one news, and I want inform my agents to summarize the top news, or maybe top 5 news articles. And also I'm telling my, you can try, Prashad, provide key insights in, let's say, key insights in, I want to generate the markdown format for read, for instead of DuckDuckGo, can we also use, you can try that, buddy. But DuckDuckGo is an API. Understand, Ramesh? Okay, Bing, Google, you can try this. But this API might be, you get some bugs in it. But if not, then you can try that. Pretty clear? Okay, that's it. So here, okay. So guys, did you clear? So I create my first agent in my local VS Code. I don't use any, so that you can use in your company as well. Show tool, and I want to calls equals to true, markdown true, and debug true, or I can change it as debug mode equals to true. Agent, I open it, I have to close it, close bracket. Where is my close bracket? Okay, so here, perfect. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Okay, so this is we opened here and we closed here. Okay, so I just let me check now. Agents, and after done, so we create only one agents, guys. And now let's run the query. I want to create my news agents dot run. Can I use run? No. Rather than run, I want to use print responses. Rather than NVIDIA stock, I want to generate a here, find the summarize latest financial about NVIDIA stocks. And here I have to do comma and then stream equals to true. That's okay. Let me save it. Let me check it again. And I want to see that whether it's working or not. Let's try PHI agents, grok, duckduckgo.env, news agents. Okay, here again. How do I run this code, guys? See, I save this code in this folder. I'll go up terminal, new terminal. And if I get error, I can get to see this. And here I'll go to command prompt. I have to go to my cd, cd 0 and cls cd single agents. No. Python single agents.py. What happened? Why I got this error? PHI agents. कहाँ पे error आया? Okay, I think it's agent, not agents. Okay, now control S. Just again go to terminal. Yeah, that's right. So again, I'll move to command prompt, or maybe cd0 and Python, and here single agents.py. I hope it works. Great, excellent. Do you see this, guys? Now, great, we got responses. Do you see actually AI? Okay, now the guys who ask a question, generative AI content data. No, this is not content data. It's taken decisions, guys. What decisions? From the news, it gives us what is latest news. And I'm asking a 5 trending news about this. So it fetch the DuckDuckGo and it give me the summarized informations of my output. How many of them clear? How many of them clear, guys? Amazing. So I built my first agent, which the agents can interact with DuckDuckGo search, which call LLM models, and it search the news from, what you called, it generate the news from DuckDuckGo search and news from what is NVIDIA stock. You got all these stocks, guys. Rohit, amazing workshop. Yep, that's fine. Good, thank you, man. So I know, guys, let me tell you, the guys who are working in VS Code, if you never work in VS Code, you get error. Okay. I can create multiple agents, but sir, I will share this code. Just 1 second. Let me copy and I'll give some time chart to everyone and then post it. So guys, every week I'm doing very hard work for you, trust me, and you never write comments, likes at all. So this workshop, I need at least 150 likes, guys, at least 150 likes, and comments which workshop you want, comment which workshop you want, and give a feedback. So how do you go back to this workshop? I want you to go to NareshIT. I want you to go to NareshIT and then subscribe and Agentic AI workshop by Prakash Senapathi. Click this, like it, and comment. And so they will must money. No. Very good question. Very good workshop. So please write a comment, guys, and chart. Tarun, sir, they will must money for API. Yeah, Tarun, if I use OpenAI API, then there is a money. But we use Google Grok API, right, Tarun? So that's why it is not money. Amit, how DuckDuck using here? Please explain. Do you see this, guys? In this code, we import DuckDuckGo search. PHI, what is PHI? Agentic AI. In Agentic AI, DuckDuckGo also included. And if you go back to the tools, we search the tools and we fetch the model. So if you refer to the framework here, Grok framework, and you can search a tools. If you go back to the tools, did you see you can go DuckDuckGo search? Amit, are you there? Do you see if you go back to the tools and DuckDuckGo search, you go to the DuckDuckGo search, and I've been using this code over there. Pretty clear, guys. Did you understand? So this is Agentic AI framework. So will you build multi-agent AI now? Yep, I'm gonna build multi-agent now. I'm gonna build multi-agents now. Are you get ready? Sir, how much math? No math required, Sidhu. No math required. So you come tomorrow. I will teach you how much math required. So I'm here, no fear, guys. Compare Grok versus PHI. What is Grok providing here? Santosh, very simple, man. If you go to the Grok, Grok is LPU provide Llama model to here. Understand? PHI is agentic AI framework where it connect the Grok. Do you see this? Agentic AI, it connect the Grok. Santosh, are you clear now? Okay. Now, guys, I will share this code. Will you please paste the code, sir? It won't be cost. No, 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 Rakesh. It doesn't cost any money. So that's why I want you to use, sir, getting an error module inspect as get. Okay, Chirag, do it later. Do it later. Do it later. No need to worry. So we build single agent. Can we build multi-agent now? Can we build multi-agents, guys? And then I will share you the code. See, guys, now companies are use this. Please use the code in your system. Okay, let's go back but one moment. If you go back to the agentic AI, it's clearly mentioned for multi AI agents added YouTube. Yes, yes, Sri. Guys, everyone, can you go to YouTube? Please go to the YouTube. Type NareshIT. Type NareshIT. Everyone, type NareshIT. Prashant, let me complete the multi-AI agents and then I'll talk to you. See guys, I know your experience into different domain. Just follow what I'm saying. I know you will ask only theoretical questions. How to tool which can go to, sir, how to build a tool which, see guys, you need a car. You cannot build a car, right? Understand, Santosh, what I'm saying? If you go to the NareshIT, just enter NareshIT, go to YouTube, NareshIT YouTube, just you can refer my workshop, you can click on it, you can work on it, guys. And I want your likes and comments, so which motivates me and my NareshIT team to grow up, because I'll bring up a lot of new technology which just launch in the market. I'll try to introduce you guys. Pretty clear now? Okay, can we do the multi-agents now? Sir, how to build a which can go into tools? Santosh, this is a command, man. For example, you create a variable and that's what PHI data integrated the tool. Okay, Santosh, I didn't do it. So some of car are automation, some of them are manual. So how automation cars are done? So that means the PHI data, this is what agentic framework, PHI data has integrated to the tools. Which tools? If you refer to the tools, in tomorrow, next tools will be introduced. If you go back to the tool, you'll find out. Did you clear? Need to all this if we Azure it or they have their own interfaces? No. Krish, you can also integrate with Azure. If you go back to their models, you can Azure AI also you can integrate to there by generating your Azure API key. Yeah, you have to purchase for that. Clear now? I mean, how to build my own tool which I can query it to DB. Okay, man. You can by using Python. By using Python, you can connect to that. All right. Yeah. So see guys, few things you cannot build. If could have been built, it could have been built long ago. But anyway, yes, you can build using Python oops and all those things you can require for that, guys. Okay. Can I go to the multi-agents now? So how many agents I created in this code? News agent only created. Now, guys, how many of them done? I just want to see the responses. I want to see the responses. How many of them done? Done. I want to design model for image disease. Is it possible? Ram, ask a questions which is make sense. Image disease detections, yes, you can do it. First, image disease detections, you can build using large language model. You can also build using AI by using deep learning frameworks. But this is agentic AI. I want you to give a clarity that how agents are integrate with it. Pretty clear now? Yes, you can build insurance. Ram, clear? All right, guys. Can we do the next one? Okay, now guys, first project, what are the projects we completed? We test the PHI agentic. Can you please next workshop explain about how to build chatbot? Okay, I already done the workshop. Guys, let me tell you, I will share these all previous workshop videos. Can you check this? Generative AI LLM. One can complete all 18 workshop. You're good to go, guys. Pretty clear what I'm trying to speak? Just 1 second. I want to skip them. Okay. So guys, I'm sharing all this tool in my GitHub. All right. So everything's ChatGPT, generative AI, large language model, complete data science library, LangChain, LangSmith, OpenAI, and Google Gen AI, Gemma model, NLP, RAG model, Creo AI, stable diffusion, statistics, why to choose Gen AI, prompt engineering part 1, part 2, DeepSeek. Now agentic AI is going on. So I will ping everything here. Let me finish the final projects and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, thank you. Just stay tuned. So here, project 1, project 2. In project 2, we build single agents using just 1 second, guys. Jenny, I will share. No need to worry. I will share all those things. All right, guys. So the next, I'm going to do project 3, and this project's now I'll build multi agents using OpenAI. But I'll tell you, you can't build this because you need to purchase API key for it. API key for it. But still, as it is, stay in the live in YouTube, NareshIT. So I will build this. Just you understand, if you have any query, you can ask me, guys, and you can fit this. We try to build a OpenAI. The first one, how much it will cost? I'll get back to this now. Let's go back. How to cost? You will do the workshop. Is there a complete AI course? Yes, 3. I can have complete workshop. I mean, my new batch. Let me tell you, my new batch will start from tomorrow at morning 8:30 a.m. In there, I will talk to you. In there, I will talk to you. My sessions are more practical rather than theory. In organizations, you're going to work 9 hours in practical. All right, guys. So new batch will start from 8:30 a.m. The batch is for 6 months, and you can ask any questions if you have at that time. Okay. Now let's introduce to OpenAI.com. OpenAI.com. Project 3. Let's do multi-agents now. Steps to build multi-agents. Steps to build multi-agents, guys. All right. First, I want you to log in platform.openai.com. So second one, I'll go back to my platform here and just one second. Just here, platform.openai.com. Do you see this, guys? This is platform.openai.com. Once you openai.com, so what happened? You will get your Sri Sethi, just now I told you, buddy. Okay, yeah. Then the webinar, can you share the detail? Yeah, sure, sure. So now, once you log into this openai.com, if you go back to the dashboard, just go to the dashboard and okay, then click on dashboard. Once you go to the dashboard, so here you get a API keys. You can generate a new API key. I generate a new API key. So guys, let me tell you, the Grok API key is a free one. That means you no need to pay. You no need to pay for this. But for OpenAI API key, it is a paid one. It is a paid one. Pretty clear, guys? Fifth point. If you refer to this, I paid. How do I know how much payment? Usage. Go to usage. If you want to pay, just you can log into usage cost. And if you refer to my billing, and I purchased for $5, minimum $5 you have to spend, and the cost is $5. So what is $5, guys? Minimum $5 means if you say like 450 or 500 bucks, guys. So $5, which is 500 rupees. All right, and the duration is 1 year. The duration you can use, spend within 1 year, and yeah, you can, and then you activate the billing and activate the billing, activate billing and cancel billing later as well, cancel billing later as well. So after purchase, so I purchase $10, and I think for it will expired on September 7, 2025. Still I have many way to go. So I would respect everyone to buy, to purchase this API key, please, because without OpenAI is a credential one. Most of the company, every organizations use OpenAI API key, guys. Understand? Rather some other key. So that's what today I want to build multi-agents. I want to build multi-agents with OpenAI API key. So I just got the key here. Just one moment. I'll mute for some time. Confuse DeepSeek. Yeah, you can try, guys, but DeepSeek has not generate much output the way OpenAI generates, guys. Clear? I think Venkat. So yeah, so DeepSeek is not generate the way output you expected. So I'll go back to my OpenAI API key. Just one moment. I'll copy that. Okay, just one second, because I will share them and then I will use it. Just give me 2 minutes. Let me copy my API key and all right. Okay, now, yeah, solve my very good, Chirag. And then environment, I will save my OpenAI key. Okay, do you see this, guys? Now, Control S. Did you see? I two API key I have right now. For example, I have Grok and I have OpenAI key. So this is paid one. I save this API key in my environment variable. Now the second one, just go back and I'll close this one. And here, where did I generate API key? If you go here, platform, see how much dollar I'll spend now. Right now, the cost I have 1.98. I spent it from $10. So after I run the code, let's see how much dollar I'm going to invest from here. And this is monthly spent. So what I'm going to do now, okay, let's use multi-user now. Let's use multi-agents. So let's do third project I'm going to develop now. And we use single agent. This is we test agent, single agents, and I'm going to create a new file and then multi-agents.py. Okay, just, and I stored my OpenAI API key here. Let's close, and let's start this one, guys. All right, team. So the first thing, okay, so the first thing, what I'm gonna do, let's again from, okay, phi dot agents, sorry, phi dot agent, import agent from phi dot model. Not, I'm not use Grok now. I use my OpenAI. So from phi dot model dot OpenAI import. No. I think OpenAI. I'll use Open AI. Okay, and then chart. Okay, and then here from phi dot. I use my DuckDuckGo search tools and go DuckDuckGo from dot env import load dot env and then import voice. That's good. So here, this is my phi dot agent. This is Agentic AI framework and phi model OpenAI, import OpenAI chart, and because it generate the agents, multi-agents, and phi dot tools, check the spell DuckDuckGo, import DuckDuckGo, and dot, and we, because we install the environment here, right, guys? This is environment we installed here. So I just load my environment over here. That's good. And I want to load environment here. And then I want to call my API key and get and open a API key. That's great. So I'm going to call my API key here, guys. That's okay. So now I want to, okay, chalo chodo. Today we'll build a cricket agent, guys. Chalo मैंने एक cricket agents बना दूंगा, ठीक है? Cricket agents, live, chalo live matches, live cricket agents I will build now. Okay, so how to create a live? Let's go back to this now. Okay, let's continue. I want to go for match agent equals to, I want to name it as, so here, live matches, live match agent. Okay, and I want to call the model as OpenAI chart. No, I don't use API key. That's okay. API key I'm going to use as ID equal to, I want to call which model here. Just one second. Go back to dashboard and playground. And I have GPT-4 for Omni. Okay. I use this model GPT. So just go back to code ID GPT or Omni model. No, not 0. Oh, okay. So this part is done. And then here tools, again, I'll go DuckDuckGo search and I want to pass. Okay, that's good. I get my instructions as well. So very simple. Get the latest cricket match score. No, rather than latest, I wanted to say that search for live cricket match score. Okay. And I'm saying summarize the score and top players and about match situations. About what about match situation? Match will win or match will lose, match situations. All right, and then I'll go for, as I'm saying, every time use markdown, because that's way I can try to get my use markdown tables for detailed informations, better clarity, okay, or and readability. Two things I mentioned here. Instructions, that's good. And then next one, okay, we called, oh, 1 second here, show tools, markdown tools, debug mode true. Let's copy, and I'm going to, so is it here? Just paste. Okay, it's good now. Pretty clear. So, prompt engineer will prepare that prompt for accurate responses. Yes, yes. So that's fine. So guys, how many agents I created? I created number one, first agent. Okay, first agent will check live cricket score. Okay, now let's build my second agent. Agent I want to call as, let's say, player starts agents. What is the statistics? I mean, I can say the players agent, and I'm going to clear a player agent, and let's say name equal to, I want to player starts agent, and yes, the same model GPT-4o, and API key equal to API key here, and just go back for this one. And tools, see guys, once you write the GitHub, GitHub Copilot would helpful for you to give a code instructions, what you're going to type in here. So I want to write as find, okay, I'm going to go back rather than I'll read this, find recent cricket player statistics. And then I'm going to call another player as, let's say, include batting, and I want bowling starts as well for the last 5 matches. That's great. And you can write any, I mean, you can write many instructions so that the agent will fetch the instructions and it refer to the DuckDuckGo search, it pull out the OpenAI model and give the response to the agents, guys. I mean, the agents will check and give the response to you. So which is amazing. So use tables for, yeah, variable, because I need to table to get a clarity from here. So that's what, and again, I'm going to call this now and here paste it. That's cool. How many agents? Second agent. So first agents, we try to create a agents and get a cricket match score. Let's build, I want to build a third agent now. All right. So let's do player starts agent, live match agent, and this everything I have to, no, I don't want match summary agent. I want to build a cricket news agents. Okay, let's try to create a news agent and name cricket news and GPT-4o API key equal to, Ramesh, I'll talk to you. Let me finish. Okay. Yeah. So just tools to DuckDuckGo search, and I don't want to instructions. And here, so find, so which LLM model I'm using? Anybody? Which LLM model I'm using, guys, now? Anyone? I want to know latest cricket news. OpenAI, very good. OpenAI is a free one or a paid one, team? OpenAI is a free one or paid one? It is a paid one. Okay, it's not a free. But why I'm giving you multi-agents? Because you need to know that if you build multi-agents in local, you won't get proper responses. So wait, I find summarize latest cricket news, and I want to, because we see highlight matches or not, highlight the upcoming matches and injuries and upcoming matches, and I don't want injuries, man, leave it. And tournament updates. Okay, tournament player updates, that's right. And okay, so I want to provide key insights of, for provide key insights in markdown. Okay, so I want to say the list list I want to know the headlines as well. Key insights of Markdown format for more readability and clarity. Great. So let's copy this, and I want to use this as well. So can you please tell me how many agents I build, guys? Because if I create more agents, then my money will spend. So I just create, yeah. So I hope you understood. So I don't use more agents now, but at this moment, 3 agent is enough. Okay, so the next step is now let's create. I want to hear this is main cricket news, and I want to combine all 3 agents together here. So how do I combine all? Let's do these things here. I'm going to create a cricket team. Okay. I want to, so how many agents? 3 agents there. I said, hey, agents. I have 3 agents now, digital agents. I created my 3 digital agents today. I'll tell my first agents, hey buddy, can you please check the live cricket agents? I'm telling my second agents, hey buddy, can you check player stats agents? And I'm checking the third agents, hey buddy, can you check cricket news agents? Now I want to combine all the, hold on, agent. Okay, and let's name equals to name. I want to make as not cricket team. I can say like cricket analysis team, and I want to use the model equals to OpenAI chart ID. Perfect. Why can't we combine all acquired into single? Wait, man. Money you can combine. Sir, line number 43 indentations error. 43, yeah. Thanks, buddy. Anything else? Good. Thank you. Anything else, guys? Please let me know. Thank you, Money. Yeah, after the class, you can combine. All right. Now I'm combining, man. Okay, see, don't. Okay, yeah. So here, see, guys, let me tell you, your experience, fresher, leaders, CEO, CFO, don't care. AI never care anyone. You guys clear? You have to upskill new technology. You just stick to the market. Right now you're doing job. Might be tomorrow it's a problem for you. So that's why you heard a news. Every company will fire and hire going on, guys. Pretty clear? So anything you want to learn new technology, unlearn and relearn. First you remove and learn new things. Don't whatever Java knowledge you have, don't apply in here, guys. So most experienced people only unable to learn these skills. You know why? They have arrogant. Whatever the skills they had earlier, they try to everything connect to the skills. It's not that strong. Did you clear, guys? Everybody? I think I have to put a comma here. Debug mode is true. Here also true. And let me check. Here also true. So just go back and now try to. Okay, sorry, I just left. Where I have to check it again. Name, I create an analysis team, GPT API key. I want to combine all the 3 agents, right? So just, no, I'm not doing a debug mode here. Sorry. So API key. I want to build a team equal to, let's do as match agents. And how many agents I create? Okay, one moment. I created my match agent, player agent, news agent, right? Match agent, player agent, and news agent. Perfect. Now I created my 3 things, guys. So here, the last one, I want to provide a instructions and find the latest cricket match score and summarize. No. I don't want to do this now. So rather than saying provide a live cricket match score and scores, player statistics, and news update and news update summary. Okay, this is one instructions I'm given to my and then I'm using as okay, use structured. Okay, so I want to find and summarize latest cricket news and headlines. Recent player, no. I want to use as okay, so use I need a structured markdown so that struct for better readability and clarity. Okay, markdown structured. Okay, markdown format for okay. I'm going to read them. Let's remove this. That's okay. So here again, I'm trying to copy this one and I'm going to paste here. This part is clear. So guys, very simple code, nothing. I mean, I didn't do anything. I just call my Agentic AI, OpenAI, DuckDuckGo, and load my OpenAI key here, control save. And then, yeah, so here, let's try to cricket team dot print responses. And I'm saying get the latest score of the India. Guys, which current match is going on? Anyone know which any matches is going on, guys? Anyone? India matches or last matches? Anybody? Team, can you hear me? Today? No, today. I think yesterday or maybe WPL. Yeah. Let's see. India versus Australia versus England. Yeah. Australia, India versus Bangladesh. Okay, Mani. I will try India versus Australia Master Trophy. Yeah, I'll try this now. Okay, because this is current match, right? So as we are Indian, we'll better match. And okay, you want England? Sorry, zero cricket. No, no problem. So recent stats for Virat Kohli, and cricket, Virat Kohli and cricket news. That's great. Stream equals to true. Okay. And then stream equals to true. Close it. Okay, guys. Finally, let me save. Let's work. I'm going to build my 3 agents, guys. So here we go. Okay. Guys, I hope understand. So this is not a big code at all. This is not a tough code at all. And we created pip install U5 data. It's between agents and team. Santosh, it's just create a variable, guys. It's just a create a variable. Understand or not? So when I combine all the multi-agents, agents is nothing but collections of teams, right? Okay. So control S, file, save all, and terminal, new terminal. Okay. So this is my first code. This is my second code. And I will delete this. I will delete this. And then I will delete this. This is working. Okay, now I'll go to command prompt and cd 0 Agentic AI workshop today. And then in here, I create a multi-agents. Oops, I'm sorry, guys. Control S. Then here, Python multi-agents.py, enter. Oh, that's great. Okay, guys, do you see? Agent 1, you can transfer task to following agent. See, agent things, guys. See, whenever you have any agents in your home, if you task any work to the agents, agents can think and do work for it or not. Let me check. That's great. Okay, running. Still my agent is working because we created multiple agents. Just wait. It what the message, get the latest score of India, Bangladesh. It's fetching and okay, great. It got the responses. Do you see? This is not generative AI. So, my dear learner, I just want you to give a clarity. Generative AI can create a content, but it can create a content of cricket matches. But agentic AI, I pass a query, instructions. Hey, please, agents, can you please generate the recent informations about India and Bangladesh match? So, did you clear, guys? So now it got it. And how is it? Amazing, isn't it, guys? You got the clarity. What single agents? Very nice, amazing workshops. I feel very good because this would be master. I mean, I feel so good because it fetched the right content. And if I go back to my ESPN Cricket Info, you will get it, guys. Mind blowing. Amazing team. So I need a likes, guys. I need a likes and comments. Please do it. So I hope experienced guys you understand, but freshers maybe they take some time to understand. They need everything is easy. Awesome, man. See this. It's detail, isn't it? So I will share all this code. Can you build? Sai Vamshi, learn full stack courses or else this is no, agentic AI is come under full stack data science. No, I will teach you guys. So that's why my new program start. Okay, guys, this is a backend. Can you please, freshers, you have to join this. You have to, sir, based on instructions, what action is that doing? Still you can't understand, man. What questions you ask, guys? Ramesh, okay, not related at all. When I asked ChatGPT, the reply generate. Wait 1 second, please. Okay. So Ramesh, when I asked you ChatGPT, it replied Gen AI is not related. Of course, man, it's not related at all. Generative AI is agentic AI is not related. Understand? Ramesh, generative AI is generated content, ChatGPT. Pretty clear? But agentic AI can get the agents or connect to the LLMs and then fetch the relevant informations for the task. Are you clear? Okay. Yes, freshers, they can watch video for 2 to 3 times, then they understand. That's right. It's not recorded sessions. Ashok, it is going on. So send your GitHub link, please share code. I will share the code, but wait, can we build a front end now? Ramesh, are you there? So can I say agentic AI is Ramesh? Can you stay? I will talk to you later. Why you guys so confused? You are a fresher? Are you a fresher? Okay, can we go to the next one? Can we do a front end now, guys? Or I will skip it. Okay, just give me, if you give me some time, I will also do the front end as well. Okay, but let's create a front end. This is DuckDuckGo. You want front end as well? I think, all right. So I will close this, guys, and please share multi-agents in chat. Santosh, I will give my GitHub as well. Just let me push all the code in GitHub. I'll build a lot of codes in the GitHub. I can push it. Okay. So I will add. Okay, guys. This is the backend code, copy, and I'll create my new note file so that everything would be a proper format. Just right click, new file, and mm, front end multi-agents frontend.py. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just copy. See what was my cost, guys? I was showing on at the time, OpenAI. See, let's check how much cost factor has. Let me refresh it, and I go back to my, what you say, like, wait, dashboard, and you says, I think it was 1.93 before, and now, yeah, 0.7 cent has deducted, guys. 1.98. No, I think it was 93. Check it. 93 or 98, but it's deducted some amount or not to generate these tokens, guys. Pretty clear? Yeah, to generate these tokens. Okay, now I'm going to create another app. So Control S, and I want to create a multi-agents because see, this is only backend. I don't want you to confuse. So just I want to create a front end, import Streamlit as ST. This is my front end code I've been done. And this part is fine. 1 second, where do I keep it? Import OS, play.agent, everything fine. Gradio, I already used stable diffusion model. In my class, I already explained Gradio. Okay, so at this moment, I can use Streamlit, and Gradio maybe we can use later, or maybe you can use later. Pretty clear, guys? Okay, whosoever. Now, third agent I created. And then at last only better I can create a UI here. Okay, so this is what I want to create, a Streamlit UI. I want to I want to make first, I want to set dot title. Title I'll make as Cricket Agentic AI, Cricket Agents, Cricket Agentic AI, where it will check the score and player stats and news. This is my agents. Okay, and before send dot title is done, cricket agentic. Okay, let me make into cricket agentic AI, and then I want to set dot here. No, I think set page layout, page title. Okay, so I think here I need to go to page title equals to, okay, live cricket updates. Okay, and here this fine, and let's keep layout as white. Can I keep it down? Okay, let's move it to up here only. Let's do this. Page title, s set page config. Okay, title of live cricket updates. I want wide layout, and here, okay, cricket agentic AI, that's fine. Okay, now I want to mark as input. So let's make a 2 column here for create column 1 and column 2, because I want to 2 columns. So rather than 1 comma 2, I can use 2 columns. Don't put them into here. Column 1, column 2 is fine. And yeah, I want to, in column 1, what I want in column 1, I need a match underscore query equal to, okay, I need India versus Bangladesh live score, text input, and okay, this part is fine, match query. And with column 2, I want, okay, so Virat Kohli recent stats. Okay, enter a player, or rather than query here, enter a match here. Okay, That's fine. Enter a player query. Okay. Virat Kohli recent stats. Okay. This part is done. Send dot column 2. Okay. So here, okay, with column 1 done. And I want to create a button as well. So how can I dynamic? Yeah, wait. So if st dot, I want to create a button now and get updates, or maybe I can say get cricket updates. Once I done cricket updates, now I want to get the latest score, and here we go. If match query, I think f string of match query. All right, match query. I have here match query, and right. Then how many second column I created as player query. Okay, player query as well, and then match query. We pass player query as well. So recent stat. That's fine. And I want to combine two query here plus or equal. Just 1 second. And latest cricket news and latest cricket news. This part is fine. Okay. So I want to fetch cricket updates data. Okay. No. This is, we create this. I think I want to generate a response equals to, okay, this is cricket team dot run query. That's fine. And st dot markdown response. And I don't want this. Okay. So here we'll go for, let's save it. Let's try. I think it work. Just wait. I'll go to run and new terminal. So here I'll go to my command prompt cd 0. Okay, I think it's Streamlit, right? So multi-agents front end. Streamlit run multi-agents dot py. Hope it works. Let's check. Running. Any bugs? It's taking more time. Just wait. Okay, it takes up. Guys, that's fine. It will, I maybe, let's check. So guys, today's session, you understand how to build agents, but in the meantime, oh, it's running, guys, no problem. I think it will working. In the backend, it is working. You can see this. There is no bugs at all. It's great. And I think it will display front end as well. It's create. We just wait for some time. What happened? I think. Okay, let's log in one more time. We'll try this, but there is no error. It will take some time, might be. Okay, guys, the code is working well, so there's no issues at all. So guys, I think if you log into this, you're on, oh, is it? No. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, guys, that's right. I think close this now and correct. I'm sorry, buddy. So I think I'll stop it. Is it stop it now? That's true. Okay, I'm going to create a new command prompt, cd 0 agentic AI, and which one? Streamlit run frontend.py. चलो इसको अब रन करेंगे and hope it. Wait, I think that time also run the same thing, buddy. We'll see this. Okay, there's no issue at all. It will work. It's working, guys. That's fantastic. So I don't run because, so guys, there's a good news. I mean, I just wanted to, I created my new batch is going to, okay, this is all previous workshop video. I done many videos on, so guys, I spend more time on you. Okay, that's great. Do you see this, guys? I created my app now and I ask a question as, okay, live score, Virat Kohli, recent score. I can now, let's get cricket updates. Amazing. We create a front end as well. And you can create some logo images. It will work. So guys, if you really like this workshop, please don't forget to comment and go back to here, go to NareshIT, YouTube, or go to Google, and you can write as NareshIT YouTube, and you like this video and you share to your friends. And this is what the Agentic AI workshop is going on now. You can like it and comment it and ping what workshops you want. And I hope you really like these workshops. And if you see this, the front end also working fine. Just let me check. Where is the front end? I think it's still loading. It's still loading. And we need your appreciations and support to grow more bigger, guys. Pretty clear? So my most of students, they watch it, they never liked it, they never commented. So I don't request, but it is a common things too. So here we go, and I want you to also also you can link up to our Instagram page, NareshIT Instagram page. This is our Instagram page, so I can bring up a lot of advanced content. And also, this is my previous workshop videos I'm sharing you, and this is my new batch announcement. You can scan this QR code, guys, to join the WhatsApp group. Please scan this QR code. Please scan this QR code. And if you give me some time, I will share you. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll share all my GitHub to you so that you can, I think, so I can share I will share the GitHub to you guys. What is my GitHub? 1 second. Let me push all those things. Okay. What is repositories and Agentic AI? I hope you guys have scanned it. Let's copy. I move to all those things now. And let's go back to the front end. Okay, that's great. Do you see I generate my content also, but better? You can have in detail rather than Streamlit. You can use Agentic AI has own framework. You can UI, you can create UI. It's better rather than you can follow this, but you still the model has not generate any output here. The code is running well. And if you see the backend, it's fantastic. So I'm sharing my GitHub to you. This is Agentic AI GitHub. Can you please find out? Do you want me to share? I also shared this code file, save all the code. Where is that? Okay, save all the code. And yeah, you can use this practical on your company as well, guys. You can use this programs on your, can you send me the QR code of the group? Yeah. Can you please scan this QR code? Also, I shared my previous workshops. You can watch it. And if any query, you can connect me in LinkedIn, and you can, this is the 2 days workshop is going on. It's a 6 months batch. And I try to bring up a lot of new content in upcoming classes, guys, where that's why my many students got placed as well. Okay. And if you're experienced, definitely this workshop should help a lot to increase your career growth. And still, I'm also learning, guys. The market is growing. We need to study, we need to grow. All right. So study together and grow together and make the world more beautiful. Thank you so much. And Monday, come on, man. There is no fast track, slow track. No, there is no fast track. If you know already, just that's fine, because I don't prefer fast track. PPT already share. If did you link to the GitHub? If you refer to the GitHub, I just go to the GitHub. You can have the PPT guys here and documents, the docs which I will just, you can refer it. If you see, I can done multiple code with the Python define function as well. There are a lot of code is there. You can grok and okay, just now I work this, I move it to here, and in class face recognitions. Yes, man, Tejas, face recognitions, it's easy task. Face recognition is easy. We'll cover more than that. Okay. All right, guys. So did you link to, did you ping to my LinkedIn? Did you connect to the group? Did you join the WhatsApp group? Everyone? So can I fetch real-time cricket score by using, yes, Kunal, but you have to call from API. You can also fetch Y Finance. You can also fetch stock market. You have a lot of, so that's what I created some docs here. I just created some of the document for you. View raw. Sir, what will be syllabus? Pankaj join tomorrow, the syllabus, everything. And if you, if you go to the PPTX, okay, you can get to see the drive. Do you see this, guys? In the drive content, can you please select the drive link, go to the GitHub, new batch announcement, select the drive link and copy the drive link. And once you copy the drive link, you can go back to here and you can fetch the content here. What are the content? Internal details, how the three agents were invoked, like how Santosh, how was right agents was selected for a given task. Santosh, let me tell you, if you work in a real time, okay, then if you see, you can watch the code, you can automatically understand. We can create a three agents and we can combine all the three agents and we fetch the DuckDuckGo search. We call OpenAI model and then it fetch the query. And DuckDuckGo search is integrated with OpenAI and Agentic AI, all the three combined, and we pass three instructions, the model is generated. So OpenAI is reinforcement learning. Clear, Santosh? Yes, you can internal REST API. Can you refer more on all other workshop YouTube links done passed by you? This one, if you, did you download my GitHub, guys? If you download the, I'm sorry, if the link which I given to you today, just 1 second. Here we go, and go back to this agentic AI. I think multi-agents Olama 5 with, you can also build agent with Gemini AI. I can have more code. PPTX. Let me download the docs. If you download the docs, agents.docs, guys. Oh, I think I haven't upload, right? Let me upload this now, guys. Okay, this is what list PDF. AI Gen LLM Agentic Workshop PDF. The link which I shared you, the GitHub link, can you please open that? Can you please open that, everyone? Okay. So once you open that, guys, you can have all the past videos, guys. Okay, you can click the link and you can download it. Cool. Got it. Did you got it, guys, everybody? Okay, that's nice. And I want you to just click the GitHub and download all the code. Tejas, yes, covered everything. cricket score by using these agents. Can I fetch real? Yes, you can do it. Today you just learn, guys. This is research industry. Okay, Santosh, still the market is growing a lot. So there are many new tools just come up. So you can also write the code in Python as well using defined function. Santosh, I want you to go back and can you please download agents with Python function? Can you go and check the code? I build agents with defined functions and you how agents can make decision based on your instructions, man. Agents can make decisions to fetch the data from the internet and try to give you the responses to the user's query, Ramakrishna. Can I use another API key? Yes, Kunal. Ramakrishna, are you clear? Okay, Kunal. Sir, basic qualifications. Basic qualifications, graduate required. And I want to tell you, Kunal, can you use this code? You can use in this code, can you use agents LLM in the code which you done? I wanted to change this code to this one. Can you use model and code is same, okay, Kunal, and use this grok. एक बार grok try करो, इसको आप comment कर दो and एक बार run करो, let me know what error you encounter and try to fix that. Clear? Guys, the one who wants to be multi-agents in this one, see, let me tell you everybody, you haven't heard about agentic AI just 10 years back, 5 years back. This is the new market. This is new trending topic. PHI agents has introduced recently. So still people are developer research going on. Understand? Do you see day to day smart homes? Did you electric cars, smart homes, ADAS features in car? Okay, automatic Alexa. There's a lot of innovation things going on or not, guys? Rather than you asking, you should think about it. Am I clear, guys? Include Amazon agent, which can look up price productions multi, and then we can query for cricket updates. Amazon agent shouldn't be invoked. For that, you have to call, see, Santosh. For multiple agents, you have to call multi agents. I will try to show you this PPT. Wait, I think I downloaded this one. Okay, let me show you this one. Okay, I try to show you some of and say stock price. You have to call Yahoo Finance API. Okay, Santosh, now look, first stock price. How do you stock price connected? Yahoo Finance. Have you ever worked with Yahoo Finance? This is automatic API keys. Next, to work with weather API, you can need to call Open Weather Map. All right, you have to connect to the Open Weather Map. For your Amazon, you have to call your Amazon API key, which companies has do it. Next one, crypto price agents. You can have CoinGecko. For next one, if you want to connect with e-commerce product finder agents, you have to go for Amazon search. Okay, I hope your query is this. Can you use this code? Santosh, are you there? Can you use this code? Next one, travel agent. You want to book the travel agent, you have to import the API Skyscanner flight search, and you can export news agent, fetch and latest sports news. So you need to little search, buddy. Okay. I hope you're experienced, guys. And yeah, rather than you ask a query like this, you should think. Can I share this to you guys, everybody? Yes, Purna, Python is required. Oops is required. I already shared this. So the GitHub which I'm sharing, please keep it with you. Download all the codes. It's amazing. I created a nice repo for you, so you can find out all my okay live here, and you can fetch the live content here as well. All right, guys. Okay. But how do we know which API needs to be called? Is the list database API? Okay, Ramesh. Answer to, or it comes later of, yeah, because when you work, Ramesh, you automatically understand. For example, multi-agents. If you need more accurate work, you have to go with OpenAI. All right. For learning purpose, you can use open source API. All right. In organizations, the organizations has depends on the client. So client's data. So based on experience, you get to know. Because how do we know? I hope clear, Ramesh, right? Python, I don't know. You have to learn. Ramesh, are you clear? Yeah, it comes later with experience. Sir, how is DeepSeek it is doing in comparison? See, DeepSeek, not more company are using. Still, Chinese means we think about Chinese means we think about security concern. So that's why most of the company use OpenAI. All right. So Purna, yes, Python covered. So I want you to share the last 2 days workshop. If you're new, then this session is excellent. I want everybody to please come back and join in tomorrow's session, and I'll unmute you. We speak up all those things. Today we build four projects. We build testing, and then single agents, then multi-agents with front end. I feel so good because my agents are talk so nicely. It's better response. Yes, if I have some other API key, I can connect, but that's okay. So, guys, thank you so much, and I hope you appreciated. Thanks for your timing. Any questions? I will unmute you. So, did I expected a like and comments in the today's call, guys? Please. Did I expect a comments because I spent almost like 3 hours about it, and now I just because your comments would inspired. Thank you. So go back to your NareshIT YouTubes and go for it. Sri, unmute you. Yep. Where are you? Yeah, unmute you. Can you hear me? Yes, you can build. Sri, Seti, unmute any query, guys. If you have any query, I can unmute you. We can talk. No problem, guys. Chiki, every day I'm unmute you guys. No, we'll talk tomorrow. The new students. No, I can't hear Sri Seti. One moment. I will unmute you one by one. Ramesh, unmute you. Sri Seti, unmute you. Chiki, unmute you. Please go ahead, guys.
This is Chiki here. Sir,
Are you there?
yeah, can you hear me, sir?
One moment, guys. One moment. I think microphone speaker. Okay, I hope
Hello.
it's better. Yeah,
Can you
please.
hear me, sir? This is Chiki here.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, actually, the reason why I asked you about the fast track is basically to be a Python developer and do some kind of automation. So the
Uh-huh.
thing is that, sir, I can learn very fast. So the thing
Uh,
is that you're saying 6 months, sir. I feel it's a very long time. Is there a way, or I can refer to previous batch videos and learn faster?
yeah,
Is
that's
that a possibility, sir?
that's possible. That's possible. Why, man? Are you traveling from US, UK, London somewhere or what?
Sir, your voice is very low, sir. Too.
No. One second. One second. One moment. One second. Is it better now? Can you
Yeah,
hear?
no, it is better, sir.
So what I'm trying to say,
Sir,
why you want to finish everything in 1 month?
because sir, there are some deadlines for me as per the management kind of thing, sir. So that's where I'm trying to rush things, sir.
See, you can't do that. Management is different. Your learning is not for management, right? Your learning is for lifetime.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you try to learn some new things, you have to be calm down and learn. I'm sure you can never learn those kind of people.
Okay, sure. Thank you, sir.
So, no, what I'm saying, you take a recording and then it is possible.
Yeah, I'll take, sir. I'm
All
fine
right.
with it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Because I'm self learner, sir. So I pick things
Then
early.
that's fine. That's good.
Yes. Thank you,
That's
sir.
good. Thank you.
Senapathi, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. So like I'm basically interested in joining the course from the scratch.
Mhm.
So does this wo- this 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 workshops are excellent, but
Thank you.
I wanted to learn, from the scratch, not into
Yeah,
bits and
that's why.
pieces, right?
That's why.
So, how
Mm,
many, I'm already kind of working, so I need
mm,
to understand how many hours I should put aside every day to,
mm,
for the course, and how
mm,
much practicals I need to do offline so that I can
mm.
schedule and, see how I can manage my time better.
Yep, yep. So see, d- your brain, how much understand that you know, nobody knows it, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Today in the class, if I'll explain any code, and if you understand the code in 5 minutes, so for that day you have to spend 5 minutes, and rest of the code, if it takes 5 hours, you have to spend 5 hours. It depends on the topic. But yes, I'm sure if you experience, it's very easy codes, because in my batch there are a completely non-tech guy is there, tech guy is there, mid experience there, CEO is there, CFO is there. But I cannot teach different level. The code math
I
is
know.
math,
Yeah.
isn't it? The same way for you, I hope, as per your but main problem of the experienced people, you guys not attend continuously. The reason being the office calls are scheduled by the time, so you
Right.
have to adjust time. But I'm sure based on your experiences, what I talked to you, what I felt it, that you can learn easily and transit 100% possible.
Got it. No, I mean to say, do I have to do anything apart from the class? Like, do I need
No,
to
no.
spend
In the
couple of
class,
hours practicals or something of
yes,
that sort?
yes, yes. A part of the class, every day you have to spend minimum 2 hours practical.
2 hours practical.
Yes.
2 hours is
Enough.
reasonable. Like anything
That's
beyond
fine.
is like then
Also, Saturday,
we need to.
Sunday, you will have holiday, right? You can spend more time on that.
Got it.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Thank you. So,
Thank you.
I have seen the PPT, but nowhere it says how do we get further information of the contents
No,
that is
I
covered
think,
in the
yeah,
class.
1 second. I think, where is my content? Let me show up now. This is what new batch. This is WebEx ID and password. Do you check this?
Oh, okay, got it.
You join with WebEx ID and password. You just
Yeah,
take a, do you take a pictures of it from current slides? You take a picture and then you can join the WebEx ID and password. So guys, the learners who wants to be expert in this one, so I want you to be please just take a picture of WebEx ID and password, or you can reach out to the admin, or you can ping me in LinkedIn. So it's possible. So no problem. Then more discussions will happen in a class, guys.
is there a
Okay, Sri?
fee involved, or is it
No, it's a online. Is a fee? I'm sorry. Can you repeat again?
yeah, I mean, is there a fee that
Yes, yes, yes. It's a course fee,
yeah, so how do I pay it?
and my team will reach out to you.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks. For
Thank
different
you.
projects, we do. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. For different projects, yeah, definitely you need different API key. That's right. Wahid Sheikh, thanks, man. And experienced guy can learn in 3 months very easily. No, man, it depends on you. Experienced guys, Venkat. Experienced guy only not learning. You know why? They think only understand, and then they realize that they feel all those things. That's the problem. In my sessions, many experienced people, they not work. They just listen the class and they feel they know all this stuff. Yeah. Any free API to, yeah, yeah. Ramakrishna, the Gemini, Llama, DeepSeek, this is all our free API keys. Okay. Thank you, Sri. I think I discuss. Who else? Anyone wants to talk? All right. So here we go. And Pranita, unmute you. Santosh, unmute you. Yeah.
Front of this
Pranita,
books
unmute.
subject.
Hi.
Yeah. So can
Really
you hear
amazing.
me?
Yeah. Who's online? Santosh,
This
go ahead, please.
yes. Thanks, Prakash. It is really amazing one. In fact, I love the way you explained. The only question is
Mhm.
earlier we were trying to look at the having multiple agents for a
Mhm.
homogeneous information. For example, all the three are related to cricket. Okay, but
Mhm.
what I'm trying to achieve here is,
Mhm.
let's say
Got
I
it.
got a Jira ticket with me. and
Mm-hmm.
I want to understand whether a developer was able to make his changes and the build system is ready with its new build. And am I ready to run my script so that gets deployed into some non-prod environment or
Correct.
something, right? In that scenario, Git is in a different environment. So let's assume I wrote an agent for the Git, and then I wrote one more agent to talk to an let's say a CI/CD system, and then one more agent to talk to the environment so that we will figure out whether that build was already deployed or not. So now I have three heterogeneous systems. Now let's say I have only one front end where I can say, okay, here is my Jira ticket number. Can you please tell me, should I go and run my script so that it is already deployed in if it is already deployed or not? If not deployed, then I want to deploy that.
Okay.
So in that scenario, let's say I have an orchestrator agent, like the way the cricket team at the end, and how does it identify that for Git, it has to assign that task to, or it should delegate the task to the Git agent. Similarly, for CI/CD specific information, it should delegate the task to CI/CD agent. How can I write my code that my orchestrator should identify the right agent?
Okay. So you want to connect multiple domain with multiple agents and you want to deploy all the agents, correct?
Correct.
Okay. But I want you to know to set up these machines in your in premises is very hard. You getting my point? Every
Yeah.
companies are research for that. So right now I'm working on okay, the playground, physical setup, inferences. There's a lot of research going on. So still now in the deployment, you have lang graph. You have to connect it the LLM frameworks. If you go back to the PHI data, agentic AI, okay, so you have to create the lang graph. There's a separate deployment system, LLM ops, where you can integrate this agents to the lang graph. See, these new technology are in research phase. Companies are rushing for introduce in the market. So what companies are lacking, it's security concern. So for example, when you fetch these generative models, these models train from internet, so they are looking for some insecurity data. If the client fetch, it's a hallucinations. For example, if somebody got the races, someone got the politic information, someone got the salary, so still more research is going on. So the way you realize that you can build a system for your Java, .NET, all other things, that's working fine because you feed the data, you write a code. But in this here, what happened? The we developers try to create own agents, own Gen AI using architectures, GANs, VQGAN, because when they use those architectures, your company needs more hi-fi and little more cost factors. Do you know, to train OpenAI model, you required a tenth of internet systems. So still the research going on. To got your answers, time will tell. Got me what I'm saying?
Yes, Prakash. Yeah, makes sense.
See, because
So
I know.
you're
Yeah.
yeah, what in the file data, whatever
Mhm.
the tools, for example, DuckDuckGo, something like that, those are
Mhm.
the tools yet in development. And you are saying that once they evolve to support those kind of requirements like Jira tool or
Mhm.
something like that,
Mhm.
then we can have better orchestration, you're saying.
Yeah, that's what. So what I'm saying, you can use Fast API, say Streamlit. Fast API has more popular nowadays. Also, people can go for Azure. But see, when a research cannot spend on internet data on, let's assume you're working in a company, you can't store company data in Google Gemini and build a RAG system. It is a credential data or not?
Correct, yes.
So how do you see build a front end is not a big story. So maybe anyway, you can create multiple domains. You can push it to the first fast API. You can sit down for 1 month research code, little get debugs and bug it. You can create the here. The question is how you can set up LLM models in your in premises. That is a one problem. Second problem, when these models are trained, it take a lot of memory, lot of money factors also include that. So security concerns. So that's what still most everybody try to rushing for research part. So I think that's what I'm saying when the time comes. So in the meantime, you can deploy in Fast API. Just now I do it Streamlit, or maybe you can use Fast API, Gradio. There are new tools are be invented, or maybe Azure, AWS. So all those things is on the line for that.
Okay, yeah, makes sense. Thanks, Prakash.
Thank you. Okay, and yeah, nice talking to you, Santosh. All right, and who else? I think, sorry, if the agents work efficiently, will the companies need workforce? See, that's what more automizations happened. When more automizations happen, VP jobs are lost, AVP jobs are lost, all right? And the big peoples are stay on ahead, right? So they are in a big trouble. Chris, clear? So in a company now, they're hiring for 10 people, now they're hiring for 5 people. So AI not kill the job. The learner who learn AI, he killed the job, guys. Pretty clear? From where I get explanation text file of this workshop. Text file, you can refer text file, which this file, buddy? Are you talk about this file? Okay, I haven't uploaded. So guys, I request your like, comments, please, and share your friends and join tomorrow with your workshop with a new batch. With new batch, that batch is last for 6 months. Okay, thanks. I will share this now. Okay, guys, just one moment. I will share these things to my GitHub, and then I will talk to you, someone who have query. Yes, Praneeth, I talk to you. Yeah, Sri, unmute
Yes,
you. Who else? Yeah, please.
So like
sir.
one other question.
Yes, Sri, just 1 second. Praneeth, go ahead, please.
Yes, sir. Like I am the old student of this data science course at NareshIT only.
Mhm.
Like last
So it's
before year I had learned.
very good that you have
Yeah.
to join. If you're old student, then you must be have my number, right?
Yes, sir, I have.
Then you can reach
Like
out to me.
I have learned from the Omkar sir.
Then you will
Uh,
ping me. I will talk to
uh,
you.
yeah.
Or maybe
Like
you
I
talk to
had
me. Yeah, talk to me
like
in
only
LinkedIn.
up to
Okay.
generative AI I had learned. After that, LLM models, prompt engineering, I just visited all the things there. Like
See, then you
like
can ask him.
updated. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm like I had like after my course ended, these got
No,
updated.
see, Pranit,
Yes.
you are our student, right? So what you
Yes.
can do, you can talk to the admin, whoever admin, you talk
Okay.
to them and you can convey and you can talk to and let's go know the messages. Okay, buddy?
Oh yes, thank you.
Okay,
I'll
thank
give
you.
it.
Yeah, sure. Yes, Sri, unmute you.
Yes. So like, one question. This agents, right? Like, right now they are going towards the OpenAI and all. If we
Mhm,
have to build the LLM models, or
mhm,
like, for example, if I have a Confluence,
mhm,
which has like lot of KP,
mhm,
knowledge-based documents,
mhm.
and see in terms of like any issues comes up, a Jira ticket is opened. Like I wanted to see if there is a way that I can
See, let
link the Confluence KB article to the Jira ticket automatically. So for that, like, it is like lot of permissions and security wise, like, how we can replace the OpenAI with some on-prime, confidential data that cannot go over the
see,
web.
that's what I'm saying. What I'm trying to say, I am trying to saying that, did you see companies are layoff going on or not?
Yes.
Out of 10 company, 3 company already introduced this. Now forget about Jira, all those things now. Everything is automized. Jira, if what if there is no Jira? The question
Mm-hmm.
won't come, right?
Yep.
You got me, Sri. Because when you don't have Jira, see, there is lot of things happens. Now there are lot of tools because in banking system earlier days, people went bank to apply loans. And now based on records, they will apply loans. And some of good guys are there, some of bad guys are there. Still, everybody got a loan. But now what happened? AI integrate in the system software where you enter a PAN card. the AI can recognize that are you eligible for a loan or not, isn't it?
Got it.
It was
Mhm.
not happened like that before. So the market is changing. You can see a lot of innovative things. So that's what, while you learn this course and while learning, you need to connect your learning with the company's work, simultaneously combine. Then only you got to know what exactly the work is all about. Got me?
Understood. Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you so much. All right, guys, that's it for today. It's I will upload this text in the here. I think Feb and Agentic AI, and then I think this is the class notes. Okay, I post the class notes, guys. Now commit changes. So, guys, I'm expecting a comments and likes from you, and see you on tomorrow. And if possible, yeah. Any question, Ramesh? Yeah, unmute you.
Yeah,
Please.
Prakash. It was a nice workshop, not session, right?
Hmm.
So we have few questions. So
Hmm.
when you are talking about things like API and all that, that is
Hmm.
really going over my head. I am also into IT, but I am in SAP. I am into consulting.
Hmm. Hmm.
So,
Hmm.
so I am not kind of non-technical, I would say. Though it is
Ah,
IT. I don't know coding. I don't have
so
any.
that's why. Yeah, please go ahead. Hmm.
So whenever I'm asking questions related to this, when you say, don't you know that and this, then I'm feeling a bit embarrassed.
Oh, no. Sorry. But see what happened. See, that's the problem. Being experienced, we try to first listen, then I'll unmute you, then you can ask me, then we talk. Because what happened while we code, something happened, the logic is missed there. So that's okay, man. Those things are little. No need to. Yeah, you can. So that's what I unmute you. See what happened. SAP also have to learn, Ramesh, because in SAP AI also embedded there, right? You have
Yeah.
tools, right? SAP BO, SAP BO business objects. I worked SAP BO as a visualizations tool. Which platform you working, Ramesh? SAP?
I am into planning.
No, man, you're
Planning.
completely non-technical. See, all plannings are done by Agentic AI. All plannings are done by generative AI.
Yeah, I mean the forecasting and supply
I
network
know. How do you
planning.
do forecast, man? Oh, please.
In the demand planning, we have some forecast models based on that. So we automate that basically by looking at the history of 3 years
Are you
or 5
doing an
years.
Excel sheet? Are you doing an
No,
Excel
no, no,
sheet or
no,
SAP
no.
BO?
Not in BO. We have separate modules for that. Currently, SAP has the integrated business planning IBP module.
Oh, okay.
Earlier, it
You have
was
one
APO.
software then.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. No problem.
Uh,
See, for you, one thing, being experienced, my one request is learn like a student again. Being
yeah, sure.
carried, yeah. So unlearn and relearn. Any questions, feel free to talk to me. I will unmute you. Every batches I'll unmute you. I'll give my number. You have my LinkedIn ID. Happily we can talk. And my mentors are there to guide you. See, any times you should have learned long ago, man. Why you didn't late? Why you didn't join early?
I was okay. I was comfortable with my work. So
First మీరు ముందే జాయిన్ అవ్వాలి.
no. Now
Yeah.
I am joining because I feel I am
It's the timing.
kind of becoming
Yeah, true. Yeah.
I have become illiterate now because without AI knowledge, it looks like even if you
Do
know
you know
anything.
government, you heard the news? Mana government, Indian government, they try to set up these platforms in every gully schools. If you see your kids or your uncle, they have AI books, man. I'm surprised. In 10th class, they have machine learning, training, testing, split.
Yeah, my daughter is already learning in
I
her
know,
college.
that's what I'm saying.
So
AI book
that's
is
why.
there, kada?
Yeah. But to
Ah,
talk to her now, I have to learn.
okay,
Yeah.
okay. That's fine. That's
So,
fine. All right, guys.
so
Thank you.
so one small question. So
Please,
when I am
please.
using ChatGPT, I have a paid version ChatGPT Plus. So you're asking, you're doing some code to find out what is the top 5 financial news or live cricket
Uh-huh.
score or anything.
Huh.
And And I can ask the same question on ChatGPT without writing any code, right? I just give a prompt and it gives me the
Yes, yes,
reply.
yes, that's
So
correct.
this is what I wanted to understand. What is the difference between these two? I'm just
See,
asking these.
when you ask
Yeah.
a good question, see, in generative AI, you can ask a score. It will generate all the score. In ChatGPT, when you ask India Bangladesh score, okay, it will generate. But if you ask what is the Virat Kohli score, what is today's news, sometimes LLM models are outdated. For example, GPT-3, it was outdated by 2 years back. 4, it was GPT model has outdated after some point of year.
Hmm.
So agents can connect to the GPT and fetch the agents based on your requirement. But GPT, you won't get that. So what you do in the code, whatever you work now, okay, so you can remove the PHI agent and you can work and you see the response to that.
Okay, so our code fetches the data from the actual source where this
Exactly.
ChatGPT is fetching. Okay,
Exactly.
now I understand.
Got
Okay,
it? Yeah.
thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah, thanks.
No problem. No problem. Okay. Yeah, mentors. See, the way mentors are there to guide you, but not for question and answers. I'm the right person. While you do the code, if you get some bugs, then the mentors are there to guide you. So, guys, thank you so much. It's almost been 3 hours. Okay. So, I hope you scan this QR code. And did you like comments, guys, in the link which I give it to you here? So, please, I'll share it again. And I want you to, this all things are okay. So, please, I want you to be okay. Let's check this. Let me copy and I will share to you. I want your comments after the class and likes as well. Thanks, team. And I'll hang up for today and see you. And it was nice talking to you people. And thank you so much. You stay with me for 3 hours. It's amazing. So some Sundays would be like that, isn't it? That's great. Thank you, guys. Okay, bye. Exactly 3 hours. Awesome.